The last thing I want to show you in the app before I show you the desktop extension is the dApps, or decentralized applications, that you can run within Trust Wallet. In order to access those, you're going to click on the Discover tab at the bottom right, and you can see Discover dApp or decentralized applications, and they're all broken up into categories. You have the featured ones, you have lending related dApps, you have yield, and all of these different applications. I'm not familiar with most of these, but I did want to show you this. And if we click on this arrow right here, it's going to full screen this for us. So for example, PancakeSwap is a popular decentralized application that many people use. So if we click on that, for example, it's actually going to start running this application within our app, and it's going to connect this to our Trust Wallet. So let's say, for example, you were looking to do a swap here with PancakeSwap. You could choose your token. In this case, we're going to use USDT, and then you can swap, for example, into different assets. Now, as to why you would do this versus using the swap feature within Trust Wallet, you might find that the rates vary somewhat, and maybe you'd find a better option through this versus using their third-party provider, but you would have to check both of those options and see which one would be cheaper. But let's say, for example, you were looking to swap over some USDT into a different currency. Let's click on the Connect Wallet button at this point, and now you have to choose your Trust Wallet here, and now you have to choose the network. So we're going to use the BNB Smart Chain as the wallet that we want to connect, and then we're going to click on the Connect button at the bottom, and just like that, it has loaded in our USDT balance of 1149. So if you wanted to make a swap here within the same network, you would click here on the drop down, and then you could choose either BNB or another cryptocurrency that is part of that network in order to swap into it. So for example, if we wanted to swap back into BNB, you would select that from the list, but we're not going to go through that here just because it's going to be a waste of more fees that we would pay unnecessarily, and we've already shown you how to do the swap.